Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Simple, easy, and effective meditation practice. We did it. Bring the mind on the right hand, mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms. Place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside, and we will share our experiences. How are you?
Okay. Yeah, I feel very quiet and I felt a great stillness.
Yes.
And
Yeah, you are already on.
yeah.
Hello?
Yes? Oh,
Yes, yes,
you hear
yeah.
me?
I
Okay.
can hear you. Yes, now I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
How are you?
Yeah, I feel very quiet and very still. I feel the stillness around me, which is
That is good.
feels very good. Yeah.
That is very good. There is nothing in it, but because the mind has been habituated to run after the world. We have the weakest body and we have the most powerful intellect. I always used to give an example that you see that tiger is in front of you, maybe a 50 meters away from you, looking at you and wants to attack. They have only two options to attack you: through the paws, through the mouth.
Hmm.
We have the weakest body as compared to the tiger, but our powerful intellect gives you 100 options to save yourself or kill the tiger.
Okay.
You have the stick, you can hide into the room, you can have a knife, you can have a pistol, you can have AK 47, and you can attract tiger with their food and the poison. The tiger doesn't know. They don't know these manipulations.
Okay.
You see? So we have hundred of options, and that option is coming from the intellect. We don't use it. Why you inserted me? Come on, leave this. Keep a distance. Maintain the calm. So, so again, going back, insert of the praise goes to the body. The body doesn't feel it. It is the mental interpretation. My
Hmm.
mind gives it the interpretation, and that's why I feel the insert in the praise. Body does not feel. So we live in that is what the master is saying, that we constantly live into the delusion and then we create a mess in our life.
Okay. We do. Yeah.
That is all for today.
So I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Namaste.